My people, how are they? And I know say I tell una say na this place now they like to stay. If I want do video, understand? Because if I go outside, at times you know they too dey bright. So now inside here now the day, if it will come cool for me. So see this leaf. This is mbubangara garden egg leaf. It's good for pregnant women. If you don't buy it like this, you use salt to wash them. If you use salt to wash them very well, you eat it. They give blood. You understand? They give blood. Pass the one where you say you go buy blood tonic. When you don't buy blood tonic, you go they drink. You understand? Still buy blood tonic is good though. But you know, say when you are pregnant, if you go to antenatal, all these things, then they go to request